Hello, fellow trans lovers. I am your girl, Lady, bringing you your hottest news. So if you're new in this channel, do not forget to subscribe, hit the like button, also leave a comment below. So, guys, I'm just updating you on Uthando Nesthembu season 4. So, Umangwabe surprised Umselegu with the finished project of their new business at Ilovu in Durban, KwaZulu-Natal, which is Shisenyama, a spa, salon, a bar, and a car wash. And he was actually smitten. He didn't expect all that. And then Makumalo takes Mpilo out for drinks, and they actually discuss her future plans career-wise since she's at matric this year. Well, yeah, moving along, Umayene's birthday is coming up soon. She wants a party. She asked Mselegu for permission, but she doesn't want him involved. But the next thing, he will be telling her how to plan it. And she just wants it her own way. So she doesn't want Umselegu being involved in the party. She was just asking for permission. Well, it's Mayene's way or no way. At Magdale's, the kids fit their beads for Abongwe's upcoming Umhlonyane. They fit their beads, and Magdalene thinks Abonge won't be able to uksina. Yeah, because she's kinda not into girl stuff. And then Umselegu visits Makumalo for his haircut. He mentions it's Makumalo who does his hair out of all his wives. They get to a discussion about Makumalo's not being able to have kids, and it just ends in tears. That's it for now. Thank you guys. I'm out. Till next time.